Now I am telling about the preparation of derivative for phthalic acid. That is, phthalic anhydride is prepared for phthalic acid. About 2 gram of the phthalic acid is taken in a clean, dry china dish. So this is covered with filter paper which are containing holes in it. It is covered with filter paper, and then over this we are placing funnel whose stem is plugged with filter paper or cotton. We have closed the stem. So now it is covered with the funnel, and this is kept for heating. We are heating it so that on heating phthalic acid is undergoing dehydration. So it undergoes dehydration. On heating, phthalic acid loses water molecule and the phthalic anhydride vaporizes and collects on the cooler part of the funnel. We shall wait for some time. See the crystals collected there. Now I am taking burner out. Now on the cooler part of the funnel there is formation of the phthalic anhydride. So this is phthalic anhydride which is collected here. Even on the lower surface we are having the phthalic anhydride. So this is how phthalic anhydride is obtained from phthalic acid simply by heating. Now I am telling the preparation of bromo derivative for phenol. So about 1 cc of phenol is taken here, 1 gram or 1 cc, and to this I am adding about 5 cc of dilute hydrochloric acid. 5 cc of dilute hydrochloric acid is added to this. So now about 5 cc of dilute hydrochloric acid is added and shaken well. To this I am adding bromine water. This is orange colored bromine water. It is added little by little with shaking. Bromine water is added little by little with shaking. So till yellow color persists, there is reaction between phenol and then bromine water to give 2,4,6 tribromophenol. I am shaking it. So when the solution turns yellow in color, you stop the addition of the bromine and it is kept for about 5 to 10 minutes for the completion of the bromination. Yes, this is the derivative obtained, derivative of phenol, 2,4,6 tribromophenol. So this is actually appearing white. Now we have to filter it. This is the product, that is 2,4,6 tribromophenol. This is washed with water. The purpose of washing is to remove excess of the adhered bromine. And this is the derivative of phenol. This is phthalic acid. This is containing 2 carboxyl groups very close to each other. On heating, it undergoes dehydration. Elements of water they are removed from the ortho dicarboxylic acid, that is phthalic acid. It loses water and forms anhydride. This is phthalic anhydride. Just now we have seen it is obtained in the form of the needle shaped crystals. And now I am taking phenol. Phenol reacts with bromine water, and this is the electrophile generated here. So we know that hydroxyl group is ortho para director. It directs the incoming electrophile Pr plus to enter into ortho and para positions. Therefore, with excess of the bromine water, we are getting 2,4,6 tribromophenol. That the bromine electrophile enters into 3 positions, that is ortho with respect to OH and para with respect to OH group. So this is the derivative, that is 2,4,6 tribromophenol This is also electrophilic substitution reaction. Now I am demonstrating preparation of picrate derivatives. Picrate derivative of three compounds, mainly alpha naphthol, beta naphthol and naphthalene. For three compounds we are preparing picrate derivative. Preparation of picrate derivative is same, the procedure is same for all the three compounds. What is done is, in two test tubes, about 2 cc of the benzene is taken, and then compound, now I have taken alpha naphthol, about 2 gram of the alpha naphthol powder is taken and shaken well. So I have already shaken well. It is saturated solution I have prepared. It is saturated solution because some solid compound remains at the bottom even after shaking. So though I have shaken well, it remains undissolved at the bottom of the test tube. So this is saturated solution of compound in benzene, and this is saturated solution of picric acid in benzene. So some solid is remaining at the bottom. This is saturated solution of picric acid in benzene, saturated solution of compound in benzene. Now slowly the supernatant liquids, they are transferred, they are mixed simultaneously on watch glass. The saturated solution of the two compounds. One is, say, saturated solution of alpha naphthol in benzene, saturated solution of picric acid in benzene. Now this is, we are allowing it to cool, we are allowing it to stand for some time so that benzene vaporizes slowly, leaving behind the orange red crystals of the picrate derivative. Yes, this is picrate derivative of alpha naphthol, which is orange red in color. The picrate derivative of beta naphthol and naphthalene, they are also obtained on the same line. This is the picrate derivative of alpha naphthol. Alpha naphthol is reacting with picric acid. Picric acid is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. So this is addition product. There is no actually chemical reaction. This is the orange red crystals which I have shown, the picrate derivative for the alpha naphthol. This is aniline. Aniline, when treated with excess of the bromine water, it undergoes electrophilic substitution, where the electrophile bromonium ion attacks the ortho and para position to give 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. So this is also electrophilic substitution reaction. This is similar to phenol.